A day of Bee the honeybee who guards the flower garden. It was a warm spring morning. A little honeybee named Bee flew energetically out of the hive. Bee's first task of the day was to go find flowers. Landing on a yellow canola flower, Bee gathered a little sweet nectar. While flying from flower to flower, pollen stuck to its body too. When Bee flew to the next flower, the pollen was naturally carried along. In this way, honeybees help with pollination, helping plants form seeds and fruit. Bee visited dandelions, cherry blossoms, and acacia flowers one after another. Before long, the pollen baskets on its hind legs were full of yellow pollen. Bee returned to the hive and shared the nectar it had gathered with its friends. Inside the hive, other bees were tending the larvae and keeping the hive clean. All the bees lived together, working hand in hand. Thanks to Bee carrying pollen, small fruits began to grow on the trees in the orchard. Many of the fruits people eat, like apples, strawberries, and melons, also get help from honeybees. As the sun slowly set, Bee returned to the hive once again with a proud heart. Tomorrow, too, Bee will fly out energetically to protect the flowers and nature. Let's all cherish flowers and honeybees. Then beautiful flowers and delicious fruit can stay with us for a long time.
오늘도 재미있었나요? 다음에는 어떤 이야기가 기다릴까요? 구독과 좋아요. 안녕!